Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 8T, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications straight from the top, just to swipe down, and swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles. And one of the toggles should be a screen recording. Now, if it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the side and get to the second page where you probably will find it. As you can see, there it is, this little icon right here, screen recording. Once you find it, you can simply tap on it. You're gonna need to allow a couple of things first time around. And from there, it gives us a little overview right here of a couple options. So we have record button, we have the sound. You can record system sound, the microphone. Obviously, you can turn off both of them to not record any sound. Then we have microphone next to that, and also just to close this, a button for it. So anyway, I'm gonna select the record button now, and as you can see, it is recording. So whatever I'll do right now, obviously will be recorded. By default, it looks like the screen recording has enabled the show touches on screen, so you can see this kind of dot following my finger. So this will be visible on the screen recording. And once you're done recording, you can simply stop it by tapping on a check mark. And there we go. Now, one thing to also keep in mind when recording your screen, if you're planning to cheese the system and record something like Netflix, yeah, that's not gonna work. Netflix already thought about that, and what you're gonna get is just a black screen with sound. So probably nothing that you are looking for. And obviously some other applications block screen recording as well, so some of those applications would be obviously other streaming applications, and also bank accounts, and I believe anywhere where you would be putting in your password. Now, this being said, once you finish recording your screen, you can find the actual recording in your Photos application. So I'm going to quickly open that up. And from here, if you see your screen recording right at the top, that's great. If you don't, which is probably the higher chance, you will need to navigate to library, and this will create a folder called either screenshot or screen recording, or movies, possibly one of those. Let's see. Okay, so it's in screenshots. By default, you can see it right over here. Sorry for that shake. Okay, so it's already playing. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.